first step when setting up your smart heater powered by Aria is to take everything out of the box. Make sure you have the body and the two parts of the base, A and B. Take base A and align the slots with the tabs on base B and put them together. Once you heard a snap, lay the body of the unit on a sturdy table for easier base assembly. Push the assembled base onto the body of the unit. Hold the body in place while turning the base clockwise until it locks into place. Once the base and body are locked into place, stand it up and plug it into the wall. Before turning on your heater, make sure the inline power safety switch is on. This is located in the rear of the unit. This switch will enable power to the heater and will allow you to turn it on with the power button located on the front of the unit.